Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start immediately. Put on safety glasses and gloves, then protect the floor or furniture with cardboard. Once done, center the claw around the nail head. If the head is recessed, score around it with a utility knife so paint won't tear. Make sure to position your free hand on the handle near the nail to control rotation. Press the tool onto the wall so the claw sits tight, then pull back smoothly until the nail shifts and the first centimeters come free. Once the nail budges, place a small wood block under the tool as a fulcrum to prevent crushing the drywall. You want the force to travel into the block, not the surface. Then, rock the hammer or pry bar in short, confident motions. This eases the nail out without ripping paper or plaster. Make sure to alternate sides if resistance remains, and when only half an inch remains exposed, stop using the claw and switch to locking pliers for a straight, controlled pull. You finish by gripping the exposed shaft with locking pliers and pulling straight back while supporting the wall with your other hand. Short, steady tugs beat violent yanks. If the head shears off, make a short pilot hole or drive a thin screw alongside the stuck piece and use it as a purchase to back the fragment out. If the wall tears, apply spackling compound, let it dry, sand level, and repaint. Troubleshooting tip: if the nail won't budge, cut it and extract the remainder with an easy out tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.